Hey everyone, Charlotte here, your president and CEO. I want to introduce you to a new member of our credit union family, our Teller Connect platform. I'm thrilled we're offering this exciting new way to connect with you and help you with your teller transactions. Now, you may think this looks like an ATM, and you'd be right, it does look like an ATM, but it's more like FaceTime with your favorite teller. You see, there's one of our tellers on the other end, ready at the touch of a button to help you with your transactions. Let me assure you, they're not in a galaxy far, far away. They're right here in our Teller Connect Center at the main branch. Here's a rundown of what Teller Connect can do for you. Withdraw cash, deposit checks, make loan payments, make transfers, check balances, do shared branching transactions, and of course, catch up with your favorite teller about what's going on in your life. You may wonder why we're introducing Teller Connect. It will allow us to extend our teller service hours and improve the speed of your transactions. Teller Connect will also allow us to expand our reach to better serve you. Wherever Teller Connect is, our tellers can be. Who knows, you may see one in your neighborhood in the future. So let's give it a try. You'll see that it's easy and convenient and a lot of fun actually to interact this way. So I think I'm going to be connecting with Ashley, who happens to be one of my favorite tellers. Here she comes.
Hi, Charlotte.
Hey, Ash, how are ya?
Good, how are you?
I'm doing great, thanks. I need to make a withdrawal.
Okay, if I can have you enter in the account number, please.
You bet. Starts Friday.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
All right, from which account and how much would you like?
From my number one, and I just need $5 today, Ashley.
Okay. How's Olivia like in London?
Oh, she's loving it. Thanks so much for asking. I'm scared she's not going to come home.
Yeah, that's quite an experience over there, I bet. If I can just have you sign for that $5, please.
You bet.
Thank you. Would you like a 5 or do you need it broke down into ones?
A 5 would be great.
Here's that 5 down below for you.
Thanks so much, Ashley.
You're welcome. I'll see you next time. Have a good day.
Thanks, Ash. Bye.
Bye.
We know this new technology is a change for you. We'll be here every step of the way to make sure you're just as comfortable using Teller Connect as we are. The same great people will be here ready to serve you. Thank you so much for tuning in, and we look forward to seeing you in the branch or maybe through Teller Connect. Take care.